Back. If you haven't seen my channel, this is your first video watching my channel. My channel name is Cute Little Puppy Gamer LOL, and here I'm with my puppy, which doesn't look like a puppy, but it is a puppy because it's 1 year old. You think I'm lying? I'm not. He's just growing fast. Oh, look, he's just in the box. So, in one of the videos that I made called School Time, he's like pretending to be in a school and it's school time. Without a backpack, because we don't have a backpack. Ew, Tucker! What is wrong with you? That's not poop, by the way. That's something he already chewed in. Has dog saliva all over it, and ew, Tucker, no! Do you want that to be in my video? I don't think so. Okay. Wait, I'm going to come back in a moment. So in school time, we've been using this plushy rope pretzel. And I'm going to be throwing it in this video. Oh my god, I have to hold the tablet with my hand and then throw the pretzel. Oh my god. I'm going to go ask for some help. See you in a moment. Okay, hi guys, I'm back with my puppy. There's technically almost nothing to do. Oh, my mom's here. Okay guys, my mom helped me. And
Yo no
I
lo
just
miré para donde apenas que lo hubieras tirado para allá, no aquí.
wait. Okay.
Ya.
And throw.
No se puede. Son puros lugares y ahí tú lo tires, se va a mirar. Yo no tengo que mover así. La que tienes que hacerlo eres tú.
Okay, I guess you guys didn't see that.
Tú no tienes que moverlo, tienes que ponerlo en un lugar.
So here is my garden, which is not technically a garden. I'm just gonna go to the garage. Okay, so guys, the garage is closed. It's locked and I can't get in it. So I'm just gonna do something else for a moment. I don't know. Hey, my mom's gonna. She came with the key. If you know Spanish, great for you. Okay, guys, so I'm here in the garage where there's other stuff here. And I'm just gonna stop filming for a little while and set up a chair.